Hello beautiful people and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having an amazing day. We're going to be jumping into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to look at the total market cap, all cryptocurrencies, the total value and what it's telling us on the technicals. What's going to happen to the altcoin markets, what's going to happen to the market in general. I'm going to check out the trades that I have open on Bitcoin, my trades that I have open on altcoins. I'm going to show you MCRT, Magic Craft game. There's information that's coming out. I'm going to show you all that in this video. Hit the subscribe button. Let's join nearly 70,000 subscribers. Smash up the thumbs up button down there on your phone and the subscribe button and click that bell down there and turn it on. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Technicals, this is the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies, and I'm going to show you why I think altcoins can go on a mega run. But at the end of the video, let's check out Bitcoin first. So we're going to Bitcoin USDT on Bybit exchange. If I can find Bitcoin, there we go. And it's at 43,179. Right now we're on that blue trend line. We're still holding. We're sitting right. Oh, look at this, right underneath it on the weekly charts. On the weekly, stochastic is very oversold heading up. We have strong volume coming in, which is beautiful. Let's go into the daily. On the daily, we're quite overbought, trying to turn down. But the blue trend line is actually holding. We had a big drop earlier today. Yesterday, we went from 44,000 down to 42,000 and then quite a big bounce. So we're sitting right on that trend line right now. It's still holding it. EMA ribbons, we're still above the EMA ribbons. They are holding, but the more they're tested, we have a very strong support here at the $42,000 area. That's the most buying and selling area. The Crypto Guru bot is still showing a blue buy for Bitcoin, which happened about 10 days ago. It's flashed to a buy. Moving averages, you get the Crypto Guru bot in the Crypto Master Course. Stochastic is heading down. Squeeze mob is going towards the green. Money flow index is trying to turn. Money flow is flowing back into Bitcoin. And I believe we could have a big run on Bitcoin based off this pattern that's playing out here. We have a reverse head and shoulders pattern. Inverse head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, and shoulder. That's an inverse or reverse head and shoulders. So I'll show you what a normal head and shoulders is. Normal head and shoulders is a bearish pattern. Down. Shoulder, head, shoulder, drop. It's 3 peaks with lowering volume. Our inverse head and shoulder is the opposite. Shoulder, head, shoulder, explosive movement to the upside. And that's what we're getting right now. Shoulder, head, and the final shoulder has formed. The only issue is we should have a lot more volume on the final shoulder, and volume is dropping off. So this inverse head and shoulder might actually fail. I wonder, what do you think? Do you think it'll fail? That's my question. Let's go into the 4-hourly. What's going to happen for the rest of today? Stochastic is heading down. Bitcoin is trying to push down here. But again, it's actually holding very strongly, which is beautiful. And now on the shorter time frames, so on that bigger time frame, you can see that big head and shoulders, right? The inverse head and shoulder, bullish pattern, meaning go up. But now when we go into the shorter time frames, when we zoom in, we're seeing the same thing, an inverse head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, and shoulder forming. If this shoulder can form and get above 44,000, we could have another bullish momentum for Bitcoin that will take us up to 46,000 and that bigger inverse head and shoulders to 54,000. But it's trying to hold on. It's right now below this blue trend line again. It dropped quite strongly today. In the last 4 hours, we had a drop from almost 44,000 down to 42,800. Someone sold 14,500 Bitcoin in the last 4 hours to push it down. EMA ribbons, we're inside the EMA ribbons. They're trying to hold. VPVR, we've got a lot of resistance at the $44,000 mark. So a lot of resistance here. Let's go into Squeeze mob on the 4-hourly turning red. Money flow is dropping out, so Bitcoin is trying to push down here. I wonder if it can hold this support. We have a lot of major supports at this area though, so most likely Bitcoin can hold here. At this 43,000, we have a lot of support areas. So Bitcoin should be able to hold here at this 43. And if it does hold, it creates that inverse head and shoulders on both time frames, and then we go bullish. Very bullish, which is nice. On the hourly, we're oversold here. Stochastic, very oversold. Volume coming in. Most likely, in my opinion, we are going to hold here and start heading up. And I'm going to show you my trades and where I would open a trade on Bitcoin. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, you'll be able to see the trade. So under the video here, smash up this thumbs up button. Let's get thousands of likes on these videos, everyone. And on your phone, hit that subscribe button. Join 70,000 subscribers. Click the join button if you want to follow my trades that I make in Bitcoin, stocks, cryptocurrency. See my live trades by clicking that join button. And if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, Bitcoin trading Bybit. This link down below. When you go down under this video, you click on this Bybit link, you sign up, and you get a sign up bonus of 4,100 USD when you sign up and use Bybit. And this is the trading software that I use to trade. So go down there, click it, sign up, and then you get this trading software. Bybit trading software. And in this right now I have $108,300. It dropped around $1,700 since yesterday, up around 12,000 or 13,000 in the last week. In here I've got $62,000 of Bitcoin, down 2%. I've got $23,000 of BIT, $12,000 of Cake. I've got $6,400 of Luna. I've got $881 of Casta. I actually have more than 1 million tokens of Casta. My trade from Bitcoin, it was up $700 yesterday. Now it's sitting at $359 in the positive, up 22%. It's a $1,500 trade, and now it's up 22%. I'm going to show you, I'm going to actually keep this trade open based off this inverse head and shoulders formations that are forming. Now, where I would actually open a trade if you have not yet opened one is right where we are right now, because there's major support here. I would put the stop loss below 41,400, and I would put the take profit all the way up at the 55,000, and that gives us a really nice ratio trade. It's a 6.9 ratio trade. I risk $1,600 to make $11,000 profits. Risking $1,600 to make $11,000 profits. If I use 10x leverage, $110,000 of profits. If I use 100x leverage, that's $1.1 million of profit. So an area that could be a really nice trade here with a very tight stop. Always have very tight stops, in my opinion. Now I'm going to show you the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies and what that's telling us on the weekly. So this is the weekly charts, and on the weekly, it's showing that we're sitting on a major trend line here, major support line. And this trend line has been going up since 2020. We've been on this main white trend line. As you can see, this is the total market cap, all cryptos. And here, the stochastic is very oversold, turning to head up. And that's bullish, because the last time, for example, here the stochastic was ever oversold. That was the time to be buying. Here was very oversold back in February 2020. Here, that was the time to be buying. Here was oversold. That was the time to be buying. Here was oversold in 2019. That was the time to be buying. So you can see where we're sitting right now is an area that's nice for buying altcoins. On the total crypto market cap, including Bitcoin, altcoins, we're sitting right on that support line. And again, stochastic very oversold, heading up. Now I'm going to show you some Magic Craft information, so MCRT. We have a Telegram group on MCRT if you want to join. It's the Telegram group for MCRT. MCRT Magic Craft Game Chat. There's 27,000 members, 1,500 of them online, and they're all chatting together. You can join that Telegram group. You can also follow the Instagram. We have an Instagram for Magic Craft Game with 939 followers. Join that to get updates on the game, so you can see all the updates that are coming out. These are some comments. Great project, massive community, MCRT. Can't wait for the game to be released. Stock market, I'm too volatile, can drop 5% overnight. Crypto markets, hold my wine. James is a bad boy, gangster. He's the only man teaching you. My team sends me these comments, the charts, and read them. I have learned so much from this good fella. His name is in my heart, and I will tell my kids about him in the future. Love and respect, my man. Thank you, Malik. Your utopia. I came from the teachings and stayed for the energy. You achieve what I dream of. Beautiful. You can all achieve any dream you have, everyone. You just got to keep thinking it. You got to make sure you stay positive. You got to keep working towards your goals. Great stuff. I started watching videos last year as a beginner before giving the stock market and crypto markets trial. I was able to make $972,000 within 3 months with a capital of 200. Keep it up. Beautiful stochastic. Best tech teach I've seen in YouTube. Thank you, Chuck. I've taken the course and I'm still amazed by your insights. Thank you, Douglas. So those are just comments from students. This is Magic Craft, the ticker MCRT. We're sitting at just under 1 cent, just above 1 cent. MCRT, we've got now 10,600 people on watch list. It's ranked 356. Our goal is to make to make World of Warcraft of play to earn. That's what we're building here, and we have dropped off quite strongly with this big. We're still above the IDO price by more than 100%, but we reached a point at 10 cents at one point before big Bitcoin correction. Now we're sitting at around just above 1 cent. And this is some stats you can learn about Magic Craft, where to buy it. The market cap is, the trading volume is $400,000 per day. The market cap is currently sitting at, let's see the market cap. The market cap is, where is it? Here, the market cap is 3.9 million. So just starting project, comparing that to Axie Infinity, $5 billion market cap. This is the project that I'm the founder of. The fully diluted market cap is 117 million. And volume 457,000 per day. So you can buy MCRT at these different exchanges, and that's just some updates, which is beautiful. So I do think we're at a point here where it's dangerous to be underneath this trend line for Bitcoin. And really the altcoin markets are getting hurt hard. But again, we're at this major support line, and the stochastic is oversold on the total market cap. So what we need now is a big pump up in all the altcoins and Bitcoin to get this bull market back. We're sitting on a major, if we break this support, it can get very bearish for the entire market. So right now, it's a very, very important moment for Bitcoin and the altcoin markets. Thank you for watching, everyone. This is James from Crypto Guru. Hit that subscribe, join 70,000 people. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.